Take a look at the coolest cars from RiiRoo today. One of our most popular cars happens to be the 12-volt kids Audi R8. And now we have a brand new replacement with a new shape, new lights, new console, new steering, new everything. Let us go through some of the changes. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Padded leather style seats. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The transport handle allows you to easily move the ride-on from place to place. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.